Hi everyone. Well, my paper pumpkin just arrived and I thought I would show you what is inside. I also want to talk about next month's because next month's is really cool. All right, so let me open this up. Hopefully it's not too dark. It's very rainy and dark outside today, and it's only 3 o'clock. So okay, this is the January Key to My Heart kit. And here is the stamp set. I was looking forward to this. Let me get a piece of white paper so I can put it up against. Okay, we have You Hold the Key to My Heart. Love is the key. I love you. To my Valentine. There's a little lock, a key, a little keyhole, some little hearts and a little circle. Very cute. I like that. The spot is fresh freesia. Now I have somewhere an add-on that was available for this kit too, and it does talk about the add-on here, but I thought I would show it to you, so let me find that. Okay, so here's the add-on. So let's take a look at the kit. Look at this pretty freesia tissue. I save my tissues and use them in gifts and stuff, gift bags, so nice to add to my little tissue pile. All right, and here are the cards. Look at these, are really fun. All right, let's dig into this one. Here's a little opening with a key. Where's my scissors? All right, so we've got some, looks like Calypso Coral Baker's Twine and some dimensionals. Here are the envelopes. They're really pretty. Look at that. Are they all the same? Yeah, it's kind of like a fresh freesia with a key background. Okay, here's one of the card bases, and this one you can see has a cutout for a key, and I think it's three each of 3 designs, so 9 cards total. Oh, and when you fold it, you've got an inside color as well. That's pretty. Here's the next base. It's got some gold foil. Very pretty. In here, this one has gold foil as well. All right, here's some other elements. We've got some vellum. There's a circle and a couple banners. And here are some die cuts. And some more banners for our sentiments, I'm sure. Oh, and this looks like a background piece. So let's find that instruction sheet and take a look. All right, so you've got 3 each of 3 designs. They have little locks on them. Little keys, vellum pieces, very soft and pretty. Looks like petal pink and fresh freesia are the colors. And your instruction sheet. So very pretty Valentine kit. So I like that. Again, actually, I think I've already sold out of this one. I had people asking me if I got extras before I even got them. So this one I don't have. Sometimes I have extras available for purchase, and I do not have extras of this one. And let me tell you, lately I've been selling out of paper pumpkins so fast. So I think their kits are just getting better and better. Next month's is sure to be a super awesome kit. So I want to show you a little bit about that. But I wanted to show you this add-on. These are called Heart Box Add-on. And it's while supplies last. You get 10 treat boxes. Oh, and I should have looked up the price. I'll look it up when I edit and I'll write it in there. So you've got these little banners and keys to make these cute little boxes, and you can see that they've already got scored areas and adhesive already on them, so they're super simple to put together. You're just gonna go like this and add the adhesive and fill this with little, just little tiny things. You could probably get 4 those little fun mini Hershey things, or little chocolate something or other. So you've got that, and you're just going to, and then the bottoms and the tops are the same, it looks like, and you're just gonna put them together and have these little heart-shaped cardboard boxes. How fun is that? And I think they're just adorable, and they're really inexpensive. I forget what they were, but I thought, wow, those are super inexpensive. And to just put that on someone's desk, so when they walk in, even though it's tiny, it doesn't hold a lot, you can put that on somebody's desk, and they fit together. And then add the little key and a sentiment. And they would think that was just really sweet of you to just put that there, little tiny treat, just to let them know you're thinking about them. It makes people feel special when they see that. So you can give that to a teacher, or if you are a teacher, kids in your class, or a coworker, family member, neighbors, just some little gift that you can put out. Or if you need favors, this would be good for Mother's Day tea or any kind of little favors like that. Baby showers, real cute little boxes. And every time they have little boxes, I buy them because I do a lot of favors. I do the favors for the things at our church, and so it's real simple when I see these. They're always a good deal. This one has 10 treat boxes, and I probably got a few kits of these, so I know that I have a lot on hand. Anyway, real cute. Now, next month's, I think they had a picture. Here they are. Okay, now while we don't know what the kit itself looks like, we do know it coordinates with the Sending Sunshine, the Sunshine and Rainbows stamp set and paper. So they're telling us that this time, this kit is going to have an add-on. So here we had add-on where it was the heart-shaped boxes. Next month's add-on is actually dies that coordinate with them. So it would go, they're dies that would go with the stamps on here, and there's just 2 dies. It's like a little frog and a little flowers, and it's $6 add-on dies. And they showed a little, they didn't show us exactly what the kit looks like, but we have an idea because it's kind of I think that is actually the frog, and then just this look to it. And they showed a sample on the I'm guessing these are the card bases. They showed kind of an idea, very cute, and I think adorable cards, and I just love that they have this die option. They've never done that before, so I'm betting that this will be a popular paper pumpkin kit. And if you want to do that add-on, I'm guessing that's going to be popular too, because for $6 to add on the dies is awesome. It's just 2 little dies, the little frog and like little flowers, and they're real sweet. If you want to take a look at them, I will have the imagery for this up at my blog and Facebook page, so you'll be able to see. It's not the exact, because it's always a surprise what the cards are going to look like, but we just kind of have an idea. They give you a hint. So I think the background of the cards is this, and this little frog is going to be one of the cutouts, and then you're going to, obviously the stamp set is something that you're going to use ongoing, and so the dies will work with the stamp set, and you'll be able to use those forever. So it's a really fun add-on, really fun kit. And that will be the February kit. So you only have until February 10th to sign up for Paper Pumpkin to get that. Now, right now, Celebration is going on. It's like a long Paper Pumpkin video. They're not usually this long. Celebration is going on. And during Celebration, if you sign up for Paper Pumpkin prepaids, where you prepay, you can earn Celebration items. So there's several different choices to earn with $50 purchases. So if you did, just like a 3-month prepay on the Paper Pumpkin, you can earn something. Or if you did even more, you can earn, one of the larger, because there's some that are free with a $100 purchase. This paper pack is huge. It's 48 sheets. So this little image here that you think, well, that's not a lot of paper, and it kind of, it's small, so you might think it's 6 by 6. No, this is 12 by 12, 48 sheets of tone on tone, go with everything paper. Really fantastic. And I picked that a few times, so I have a couple packs of those. And there's a lot of really pretty stamps, free for $100 or free with $50 purchase. So you can do prepaid Paper Pumpkin, which will get you this next one. As long as you do it before February 10th, you'll get the next February kit plus, whatever you prepay for. So if you do a 6-month, 3-month subscription, 6-month, 12-month is the best deal, because you kind of get a little bit of a price break when you subscribe for the prepaids for more. Anyway, if you have any questions about Paper Pumpkin, please feel free to call me and or email or leave a message in the comments, and I'm happy to answer any questions. And it's fun to get this nice little box in the mail. Everything is included that you need, and you always have cards on hand, or they make a nice gift if you know someone who needs a little gift, someone who maybe doesn't want to create their own cards and have like a lot of supplies, because you get everything you need in the kit. The stamps, the dimensionals, everything is right there. So it could be that you know somebody who could just like a little gift that when it's done, they don't have a lot of leftover supplies, and all that's left is a little ink spot and a stamp set, which they can give to you or keep for another project. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.